So you may be wondering, Madison, what are you doing sitting on top of your car outside of an Aldi's? Well, I was gonna go grocery shopping, but I brought the dogs with me. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna leave the car running with the AC because we finally got the AC fixed. So I was like, yeah, there's no issue, I'll bring the dogs with me. They love car rides. So I leave the car running, I lock my doors, and I go inside. And then I realize, oh, okay, my key fob doesn't work anymore. Where's it at? My key fob doesn't work anymore. Thought the battery was dead. So a lady comes by and she helps me. I asked her if she has a battery. She said no, but her and her son went to Lowe's across the street and ended up getting me a new battery. I put it in and nothing worked. So it's not dead. Huh? Yeah, my key fob's dead. Yeah, they're good though. There's AC running for them. So I replaced the battery in it. The battery didn't unlock it. So now I'm waiting on a tow truck to come and lock it out, which is my boss. I work for a tow company and now it's paying off. He should be here any minute. Luckily, I just got the AC fixed though, so they're not dying of heat in there. If my AC was not fixed, the first thing that I would be looking for is a huge boulder to break my window. Cause yeah, I don't play about that shit. I didn't even get groceries either. I got a big thing of water and a Gatorade. The water is for the dogs, and the Gatorade is for myself because it's hot. It was like pushing 90 degrees today. I was so upset. And I'm in sweatpants, so it's really miserable. But if my dogs have to sit out here in the car, even though they have AC, I'm not gonna go inside and cool down with the AC. I'm gonna stay with them because I don't play about that shit. But yeah, hopefully Jonathan will be here soon. He's gonna get me unlocked. And then I'm gonna go pick up food for dinner. I thought I was gonna get groceries to make dinner, but at this point, I don't even want to. The plan was I'm gonna go pick up groceries for dinner, pick up a light snack, and go home and then start making dinner because I haven't eaten all day. That did not happen. Not at all. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm gross. And Brianna's not in town. Brianna is at the river with her friends on a canoeing trip. She's just now leaving, and she's like 2 hours away. Luckily, I just put a full tank of gas in my car. I'm so grateful I did that, because if not, I'd be cooked. Yeah, this is a typical Monday activities. But it makes me very happy knowing that there is AC in the car. But anytime I do this moving forward, I will make sure that I have a spare key with me, for sure. And I'm gonna try and get a new key fob made. I don't even think this is the stock one either. I think this is like some aftermarket thing. I don't know. I have to go to the dealership to get a recall done on my car. So I think while I'm there, I'm going to ask them. I'll be like, hey, is this the stock key or is this an aftermarket thing? And if so, can you guys make me a stock key for it and make me a spare key because I don't have one? That would be awesome. I'm stressed out right now. I got the dogs in here, dude. My babies. That's not Jonathan. Is that Jonathan? Yeah, this is the adventures of Mad Dog. This is ridiculous. Is it bad that I just keep sitting here, unlocking it, hoping it unlocks at some point? Like, I just keep clicking it, hoping that maybe one time it'll just work. But Jonathan said that there was a wreck on the way here, a 4-car pileup. So it'll take him a little minute to get here, but man, this freaking blows. Had I had a spare key, what I would have done, I need to get 2 spares made. 1 to keep on my keychain, and 1 to keep at the house. Maybe 3. Fuck it. 3 made. 2. I'll make 2 more. Have 2 on my keychain and 1 at the house. That way, if something happens, I always have 1. But then if I needed to go home, I would have just Ubered to the house, got my spare key, Ubered back. It would have been completely fine. I just keep getting like looked at. Like everyone just keeps looking at me all around here. I just keep expecting it to magically work. This freaking blows, dude. This freaking blows. And I look like an idiot. I'm literally just sitting on my car in this parking lot with it running. Like, I look dumb. Like, I look so dumb. Like, what? So it's the next day here. My phone died whenever my boss showed up. But as most of you seen, my car was having issues with it. And I figured out the reason why. You cannot use the key fob whenever the key is in the ignition. I didn't know that was a thing. But my next plan of action is to have 2 keys cut. Not 1 that starts the car, but 2 that just unlock the doors and the trunk. That way, if something happens and I do lock my keys in the car, I have a spare key. Both of these spare keys will be left at home, or I'm going to put 1 on Brianna's keychain. That way, if something happens and she can get to me quicker than I can get home and back, then we can do that. Or maybe give my mom a spare key. I'm not sure. I think it would be nice to have a couple of spares though, just in case something like this happened. But not spares that can start my car, but just spares that can unlock it in case my keys ever do get locked in there. I really would hate to lock my keys in the car again. Does anybody know how to disable the setting where I cannot use my key fob when my ignition's on? I don't know. Come. Oh my goodness. It's the next day. I haven't made any spare keys. I'm kind of just chilling. It's an off day. Oh yeah. Subscribe, like, comment, join to be a member. Thanks for watching today's video. That's literally it. That's literally the video. That's it. That's just the entire video. I'm sorry. It was probably boring, wasn't it? Was it kind of boring? The sun is in my face. It was pretty boring, wasn't it? That's okay. Sometimes things are meant to be boring. Oh my god, it's so bright. I'm sorry that this week's video wasn't really car related. It was, but I didn't fix anything. A little sneak peek into the next video. We got all the suspension stuff for the Subaru in. We're just waiting for the ball joint removal tool. That way we can do the ball joints. There's so much dog hair all over me. We're inside watching Creed, so I'm gonna go back to doing that. I'm gonna get this video out and uploaded for you guys. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, guys.